In the metals quadrant, looking at gold today, the rally continues up over 1%, although on low volume. And if this particular month finishes positive, which it will, it's way too high up at this point to take a holiday shortened week and finish lower. We will have the strongest rally that we've seen in gold for any given month since December of 2017, and that was off of a lower open that then shot up and rallied to a higher close. This particular month has been virtually straight up for gold. We had a breakout on around the middle of the month, about December 12th, a pullback to that horizontal channel breakout, and then a rally up that has since continued, getting above 1270 in the gold futures contract as of today. Again, it was on low volume. This is a holiday trading session, but nonetheless, at up 1% will look pretty good on the chart for those that have been long and stayed long through this holiday shortened week. Interestingly enough, the dollar has been weakening today, but the dollar index has really been moving to the lower end of a sideways channel. That channel being between about 96.60 and about 97.60. It's gone as low as 95.60, but the majority of the time has been there, and the dollar weakening is certainly putting a little bit of a tailwind behind the gold move. So that's interesting as a gold long, for gold longs as well, to watch that dollar continue to weaken to the lower end of the channel to see if that now breaks out to the downside. The interesting part about that is gold has really moved pretty much sideways against all of the majors except the yen. I'm sorry, the dollar has moved sideways against all of the majors, meaning the euro, the sterling, the Aussie, except the yen. The yen has been very strong against the dollar, which leads you to believe it's a flight to quality in the yen, as well as a flight to safety in gold. So gold is benefiting from that flight to safety with the trade tensions still in place, with the government shutdown here in the U.S., potentially weakening the U.S. dollar. And again, gold benefits from that. That flight to safety, different than a flight to quality, which we're seeing in the yen, but you can see those at the same time quite often. Flight to safety, more about geopolitical tensions. Flight to quality, more about financial stress. So the flight to safety in gold, pushing gold higher than it's been. But again, keep in mind, low volume, holiday shortened session. The week will be filled with low volume moves.